So just on our M series units here. Now if we trigger reverse, so you put your car into reverse, you're going to see this. It's going to say rear light camera. Now like sometimes you're going to have issues here. It's going to be a blank screen, or it'll look like fuzzy, and that's like a format issue. So the quickest way to do that is what I'm going to show you now. If it says no look signal, then that's probably not a format issue. So if we touch and hold on the screen, click on here, type in 4 zeros, 1 2 3 4, click OK. Now you can click through and change it. So majority of people, if they have like a factory color camera, it's going to be either that one or that one. Now you have to charge one, so you have to come in here and you click the like a save button and just wait a minute. Okay, cool. All right, that's not the right one, so try another one. Let's try this one. Click the save button again. Cool. That's the right one. So that's how you change out the camera rates of format there quickly. It's an easy way to do it if you need troubleshoot or whatnot.